Hey guys, welcome back to RMK Reactions. I'm one third of RMK and my name is Myles. And today we got something new. We have a new song for you. So today we're going to review Going to California by Led Zeppelin. Oh, by the way, guys, we do videos like this all the time, every week. Make sure if you have any requests, let us know in the comment section so we can react to the songs that you guys request.
Spend my days with a woman unkind, smoke my stuff and drink all my life. Made up my mind to make a new start, going to California with an aching in my heart. Someone told me there's a girl out there with love in her eyes and flowers in her hair. Took my chances on a big jet plane. Never let them tell you that we all are the same. Oh, the sea was red and the sky was gray. What had happened tomorrow could ever follow today. Mountains and canyons start to tremble and shake. Children and the sun begin to wake. Watch out. It seems that the wrong of the gods got a punch on the nose and it's starting to flow. I think I might be sinking. Throw me a line if I reach you in time. Meet you up there at the path runs straight.
Hey guys, I just want to stop this song halfway to let you know, like, I'm so intrigued by the lyrics. I'm literally like reading the lyrics as the song's going on, and it sounds like poetry. Like it just sounds like the way the lyrics are flowing. It just sounds so good, and I like how he switched his voice and transitioned halfway through the song. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but if the real ones notice that, all right. But I'm literally locked into this song right now. Like honestly, the music is not that intriguing. It's whatever, but I'm just so locked in because of the lyrics of the song. So let's continue.
Find a queen without a king. They say she plays guitar and cries and sings. La 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 la. Ride a white man in the footsteps of doom, trying to find a woman who's never been born. Standing on the hill in the mountain of dreams, telling myself it's not as hard as it seems.
All right, guys, let's talk about it. I'm gonna be honest. This song is nothing what I expected it to be. This is not what I expected, but it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. Like I said, the lyrics really had me locked into the whole song. And I think the way the song was produced and the way the music was made, it really has you focus on what's being said. So I'm a guys about the lyrics, man. And whoever wrote those lyrics was kind of deep. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. It sounded. I liked it. I liked it a lot. The music wasn't really. It was whatever for me. The lyrics was, yeah, it was very impactful. So if I were to give this song a rating, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and give this. Since the music wasn't that good, I'm gonna give it a 7. Okay. All right. That's me, guys. Hey, that's just me. I like it though. For sure, I would listen to the song like while I'm fishing or like on a boat or driving, like riding a bike or something. It's definitely a song to vibe to. All right. But all right, guys, I got to get out of here. It's getting hot. You can see my forehead is getting greasy. There's nothing I can do about it though. All right, guys. Oh, by the way, make sure you like, subscribe, and follow. All right, guys. See you later.